Damning video alleging unlawful activities involving police officers and dons. Security Minister calls for thorough and speedy investigation. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, crime impacting operations at Kingston Public Hospital.
Senior lawyer recommends the government pay woman forced to give birth on sidewalk.
Digging out, St. Andrew communities recovering from landslides over the weekend.
And in the business day, the Broadcasting Commission reacts to cable operators being told they must carry Spanish language programming.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, the People's National Party has raised concern about $600 million worth of debushing work now being carried out days ahead of the municipal polls. What's your view on their concern?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet @Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.